It's almost midnight. Sun's gotta go down sooner or later.
Try later, like in a few months.
What?
Otto, it's summer in Antarctica. The sun stays up all night long, for weeks on end.
Really? But...
There's no morning? When will we ever eat breakfast?
How about we eat breakfast after the boat is fixed?
But if the sun never sets, then how do we know when to sleep and wake up and...
Just eat breakfast now.